This video will show you how to transcribe media files through your web browser. You can also log into your NVivo account directly through your web browser at account.mynvivo.com/login. If you already have a NVivo account and are not currently logged in, when you access NVivo Transcription, you'll be taken to the NVivo dialog to log in. Here, you can enter your email address and your password, and then click Login. When your NVivo account opens, you will see how many minutes you have remaining in the top ribbon. You will notice you are given 15 free minutes at the beginning when you create your account. If you need more minutes, click on the orange button to buy credits. On the Buy Credits screen, you can choose to either buy credits incrementally or by subscription. Clicking on the Buy Credits option allows you to choose how many minutes you need by using the slider. It will then give you the total payment owing. Note, the My Profile and Settings area show the details you entered as you set up your account. If you would like to change these, click on the arrows to display and edit the details. If you click Proceed, the number of minutes chosen will be added to your account. Clicking on Back to Transcriptions will return you to the transcription area. You will see the new number of minutes you have remaining show at the top of the screen. To upload your files into NVivo Transcription, click on the Upload tab. You can either drag and drop a file here or click on Browse Files. Then navigate to where you have stored your audio file. Choose the files you'd like to upload and then click Open. Once your file has uploaded, it will show in the My Upload area. On the Selected Language field, use the drop-down to choose the language the recording is in, and then click Transcribe. Once the transcription is complete, you will see Open appear on the right-hand side of the file you've uploaded under the All Files area. Click on Open to see your transcript. The transcript content and speaker names can be edited as needed. Clicking Enter on your keyboard will create a new paragraph and allow you to choose a new speaker. You can also check your transcript against the audio by clicking the play button underneath.
I've got a lot more admiration for Con than I have for perhaps the people in the previous photo.
Any edits that you make are saved as you work. Transcripts are stored in the All Files area. Once you have edited your transcript, you can export it by using the button at the top left-hand side of the screen. This will export out as a text file which can be then imported into your NVivo project. You can either import this file as transcript rows, and they will appear in the content panel synchronized with the media, or you can edit the text file to remove the timestamps and import this file as a document, then autocode it by speaker name.